Hello students. In today's class which I will be looking for Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 6. Here in this scene we are going to have, in this scene that takes place outside of Shylock's house, okay? That takes place of Shylock's house where Jessica disguised as a boy elopes with Lorenzo taking some of Shylock's possession. She's quite ashamed of her boy's disguise and of her bravery. At the end of the scene, we find Antonio informs Graciano of the winds favorable for sail and of Bassanio's departure to Belmont before the scheduled hour. So in this scene where we have the emphasis the mutual desires of Jessica and Lorenzo with the bridge religious and cultural differences. Okay, so see line by line explanation. That scenes begin where it is before Shylock's house. Here enter the maskers Graciano and Celerino. Here they plan to elope with Lorenzo and Jessica. So Graciano says this is the penthouse under which Lorenzo desired us to make stand. Okay, so this is only the house, the projected house where we have to stand. And Lorenzo told us that he will meet here to them. Then Graciano says these are almost past, means he's whatever time he has given it has been over, it is past. And now Graciano and Lorenzo is talking about the thing which is when it is new, then there is more excitement, energy, but when at the time it is being very somewhere it is going to old, things become slowly. So on that they are talking to each other. See, he says, and it is marvelous he outwells this hour, for lovers run before the clock. So he says how strange it is that because the lovers have to come before the time. What usually lovers always come before the time, but it is very surprising that lovers here he is late. Okay, he is late. Now Celerino says, oh, 10 times faster Venus pigeons fly to stay love's bond new made than they are they wanted to keep obliged for 4 feet. Okay students, so here 4 feet means unbroken. 4 feet means unbroken. See, he says according to in this line that see, 10 times faster the lovers always be, just wait, the lovers always be 10 times faster than Venus pigeon. Venus is what? So Venus is mother of, just wait, Venus is mother of Cupid. Okay, mother of Cupid. So who is Cupid? Cupid is love of God. Okay, so Cupid is love of God who always fly on Venus. So Venus who always fly on pigeons. Okay, so it flies very fastly. Say that to stay love's bond. Okay, so when there is new loves, when it is starting, it runs very fast, like it runs faster than pigeons fly of Venus pigeons fly when it is loved. There is more excitement and all. But whatever here, as also here they say that it is mentioned, new lovers time passes 10 times faster than the couples who have been married forever. I mean, when it begins grow somewhere, the love that comes less. Okay, now Graciano says that ever holds who riseth for a feast with that keen appetite that he sits down where the horse that doth untread again his tedious measures with unbated fire, and that he did pace the first, and all things that are with more spirit chased than enjoyed. So here he says that yes, it is very true. He is comparing these things with the two examples. The first example he is giving here that when a person who is very hungry, when he sits down for his food, sorry, he was not going to see that how what types of food is kept in front of him. Okay, he with excitement he sits and then have his food. Okay, but when his appetite, when his hunger is finished, things, in a lazily manner, he stand up. Okay, when the meal was, the is finished, then that interest is not there in that person. So that was the good example what he has given. Again he has given the example of a horse. Okay, so in a horse, you can say, can any horse retrace his footsteps with the same energy when he had been walking them for the first time? He says that if a horse which is going for his new journey, he have that untread again, the way he is going to take, that becomes tedious when he returned from the same journey. So the excitement can be seen when he is going to have the new journey, but that excitement can be at least when he returned from there. So that also a good example. Now he says again, how like a younger or prodigal means spendthrift. Okay, spend, so that is very spendthrift. That is what the scar-fed box puts from the native bay, hugged and embarrassed by the wanton wind. Again he is giving an example of ship, that to sailing a new journey, what they do, ships are to be decorated. Okay, decorated with sails and masts, but when it returned from the back from that journey, then it hugged and embraced by the wanton boy. Okay, due to wanton boy, wanton wind means, you can see that the wind that is very uncontrolled. So with that wind, its mask and its things, when it return, you find that it's just wait, it is somewhere ragged sail. Its sail becomes ragged and then it becomes tattered. It becomes tattered, not in that decorated form what it has earlier. Okay, so like that you can see that here they both were giving example, that like it is like when a ship sails out from the harbors and all its flags waving gently pushed by the wind. When that ship returns, her timber is all weather beaten and her sails are ragged and it becomes completely tattered. So this excitement can be seen when the things are new, when the love bonds are new, when the relation is new, but it is somewhere faded away with the time. But here the condition is very strange. It's different, as he is late. He has no any excitement for his love, as he is late. So that is why they both are talking here. As they finished, Lorenzo came there. Okay, and then okay, just wait please. When Lorenzo came, he says, here comes Lorenzo, more of this hereafter. He says, sweet friends, your patience for my long your patience for my long abode, not I but my affairs have made me. But he just thanked for he is a friend, and then told that due to some emergency, due to some of my affairs, some works, I had been late. Not I but my works made me late, and then you have to wait. But when you shall, means when there will be my chance to wait for you, means when that times will come, sometimes when you are going to steal your wife, so I will also wait more than the time you have given here. Okay, and after that he says, I will watch as for long you approach. Then that just I explained, here dwells my father Jew, who's within. And then he said that this is the house where my future father-in-law the Jew is living, and let us see there. So in the same time enter Jessica, disguised as a boy. Who are you? Tell me for more certainty. I'll swear that I do know your tongue. He says that he was making confirmation that who are you. Of course I am recognizing the words of Lorenzo, but please make me sure that who are you. Lorenzo says, Lorenzo and thy love. Jessica, Lorenzo certain and my love indeed. He says yes, this is Lorenzo. He was confirmed that this is the voice of Lorenzo according to their plan. And yes, you are my love, for who love I so much, and also I love Lorenzo. And now who knows but you, Lorenzo, wherever I am yours. So that is a good understanding between Lorenzo and Jessica. You can see in these lines. Again, heavens and thy thoughts are witness that thou art. So here Lorenzo is saying very good line, that as God is my witness, you know you are mine. As God is my witness, you know you are mine. Jessica says, here catch this casket. This is worth the pains. I am glad it is night. You do not look on me. I am ashamed for my exchange. And she was feeling ashamed as she has been disguised as a boy. So she thought that Lorenzo should not see her. She was, having the feeling of shame on that time. So but love is blind and lovers cannot. And is it right night time? So night time is the best time, so that you cannot see me in this place. Even she's saying that the pretty follies themselves commit what, that if Cupid himself see the Cupid with the love of God love, okay. So if he will also see me like that, so he will also feeling ashamed. To see me this in transform as a boy, he will also ashamed, okay. Then Lorenzo says, descend, for you must be my torch bearer. She says that descend means, okay, come down and you will be my torch bearer. Then Jessica says, what must I hold a candle to my shames? They in themselves good suit. Are you too light? Why, this is an office of discovery, love, and I should be off. So he says that, okay, you are saying that in light I have to take torch in my hand, so that everybody, my transformation will reveal to everybody. So how that that will be Oxford for me. Lorenzo answer, you are sweet even in that lovely garnish of a boy, but come at once. Okay, he was very hurry for fulfillment all the dreams. And for the close night doth play the runaway, and we are stayed at Bassanio's face. Okay, he says that this is the right time to run away from here, and we have to also reach at Bassanio's face. Clear? And then Jessica, I will make fast the doors and gild myself with some more ducats. He says that, okay. She says that, okay, I will come back with the closing the door and some of more ducats. You just wait. Now by my good gentle and no Jew. Then Graciano commented that, by God, she can't be like a Jew. She's too nice. Okay. Then Lorenzo was saying very good lines. He says, beshrew me, but I love her heartily, for she is wife I can't judge of her, and fair she is, if that mine eyes be true, and true she is as she hath provided herself, and therefore like herself wise, fair and true, shall be placed in my constant soul. So he says that, God, I am crazy about her. She is very wise, and if I am judging her right, she is beautiful in my eyes, which can see, and her loyalty as she has proven, and as long as she herself wise, beautiful and faithful, she will always have a place in my heart. So giving good line for her for his future wife Jessica. The same time under Jessica, what art thou come on judgment away? Our masking mates by this time for a stay. Exit Lorenzo with Jessica and Salerno in the same time. They also came. And then after entrance of Antonio's there. Antonio, 5 Graciano, where are all the rest? It is 9 o'clock. Our friends all stayed for you. Means we all are waiting for you. What you are doing here? I have sent 20 persons to seek you, to find out you. Bassanio is presently going where? Abroad to Belmont. It means he is giving information that they are going. Bassanio is going to leave to Belmont. As he says that, as everybody is here, this is 9 o'clock, our friends all are waiting for you, and there is no masquerade today, when there will be no party tonight, and the wind is blowing right this time. So Bassanio decided to go on abroad immediately, and I have sent how many people? 20 people to look for you, so you should go with us. And he says that, okay, I'm glad on it, where means my desire is to go to Belmont, so I will be delighted to go there. And in this way they all exit from that place. So students, that was all about scene 6, in which we have completed all the plan that was executed by Jessica and Lorenzo. So act 2, scene 1 to 9 we have completed now. Okay, then the full portion of class 9th has been completed. If you have any doubt, you can please ask in your doubt class. Thank you so much and have a nice day.